Hi everybody, Tosh EDC, going into 2025. I think this is one of the best little EDC multi-tool kits, or screwdriver bits as well. Value for money. Obviously it's in the Ware advent calendar for 2024. There probably is still a few available if you look around for them, but obviously just by the selection of bits, bit drive with the ratchet you get for the bits, and then obviously if I get out, put into that, get a nice little bit driver ratchet. Then obviously with the added exception of a little extension then for the bit driver, your selection of bits, a quarter, Allens. The only thing is I can see that's really missing is a T30 and a 7mm for the UK. But I think that would be, if you'd add them two and missed one of the Allen keys, then I think it'd be a good little set just to keep in your pocket as a around the house, or obviously as a pocket EDC for a mechanic or something along that lines, or electrician, plumber. Just a handy little pocket tool to have. Obviously there is people 3D printing brackets to go into this as well now to add on more stuff, but instead of the bigger version, this is one of them handy little pocket kits to have. There you go.